Do you have a Rhino 450 or a 660 that makes this sound? So basically there's a one-way sprag inside of the passenger half of the engine, right in here. What happens is that goes both ways and you got to replace it. Here's a real quick how-to on doing that. So the first step, get the seat out of the way. Go ahead, pull this plastic cover off. This metal plate has to come off. Get all this crap out of here. I'll get this fan trowel off. I'll meet you back when we get to the flywheel. All right, well, a little update. Something I should have filmed is the removal of the flywheel here. They make a puller, I think, that goes on there and presses on something. I didn't do that. I do a lot of LS stuff, so what I did is ran cylinder head bolts through there. Pressed against that, you can see the little tail marks. Gave it a couple thwacks with my dead blow. This material is quite resilient and it sprung back. And Bob's your uncle. There's the sprag that we're trying to replace that's broken. Goes both ways, and as you can see, we have lost a part. So this sprag sits in the flywheel. So what we're gonna do, kind of clean this up a little bit, put our new sprag in, and start assembling it. So the part I ordered is not only the sprag, but the hub. If yours comes with just the sprag, then you'll do like I did, plop it out and you'll replace just the sprag. I would highly recommend this part. It came in a blank box, but it is the whole thing. So what we're gonna do before I put this together is show you how the sprag works. The side with no lip, this sprag here has a little bit of a notch in it to where you can squeeze it into this recessed area. So it goes one way, right? That's the way that it goes. That way does not go. So I think what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of grease in there. It'll either stay there and be okay or it'll get washed away by engine oil. I think it'll be fine. Put a little bit in there, start putting this thing back together. Make sure that this is proper. So the big side goes not towards the engine. The hub with the lip goes not towards the engine. So this way, this gear can spin the sprag just one way. Go ahead and run this on. Make sure this presses on to your taper there real good. And then give it the old test spin. Make sure it starts. So, now that we've got it reassembled, let's see if it works. Hell yeah, brother. Fixed.